Hi, I'm Phoebe Aurel Zen of Grade 3 from St. George Galaxy Echo School. I'm gonna take a video of dairy products. I'm gonna make yogurt from milk, butter and buttermilk from yogurt, ghee with butter. Then I'm gonna make paneer with milk and cream cheese from paneer. At first, let's boil some milk. Now the milk is boiled. Now let's switch it off. Let's transfer some milk to make yogurt. Now I have transferred some milk and let it cool. Now I am adding lemon juice in the boiled milk and stir it. The milk is curdled now. Mom is helping me to filter it. This is whey water. It's used to make protein powder. Now we have got some paneer here. Let's wash it. Half of the paneer, let's transfer it. Press it. Now let's place it in the refrigerator. To this, let's add 2 spoons of whey water. Now I'm gonna grind it. Now let's open and see. Here is my cream cheese. The milk I have kept for yogurt is cool now. I'm gonna add 1 spoon of yogurt and stir it. Now let's keep it for setting to 5 to 6 hours. I'm gonna make mini cheesecake with the cream cheese I have made. For that, let's add some biscuits in the mixie jar and grind it. Now, let's grind it. Let's open and see. It's grinded. Now, let's add some jaggery powder. And let's grind it. Now let's grind it. Let's open and see it. It's ground. Now let's add some melted butter to the biscuit powder and mix well. Now let's mix well. It's mixed well. Now let's add 1.5 spoons of this mixture in the cupcake mold. Now let's press it with this glass. Now let's transfer it in the refrigerator for setting. Now I'm gonna make the filling. For that, I'm gonna take the cream cheese that I have made. Let's take it into a bowl. Now I'm gonna beat it. It's beaten. Now I'm adding some whipped cream. Now I'm gonna add some condensed milk. Now let's beat it again. It's beaten. The cream cheese filling is ready. Now let's take the cupcake mold from the fridge. I'm gonna put this cream cheese mixture in the cupcake molds. I have filled the cupcake molds. Now let's freeze it in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Let's see if the curd is set. Wow, it's so nice. Now let's add this to the mixie jar and make butter. Let's add a glass of cool water. Now let's grind it. Let's grind it. After blending this in 10 minutes, I have got butter. Let's pour some into the pot. Look at the butter. It's so fresh. It's so good to look. Now let's close it. Now I'm gonna make ghee with butter. For that I have took some butter in the pan. Let's heat it in medium flame for a few minutes. This butter turns into a ghee. Ghee is getting ready. You can see ghee forming. I am adding one curry leaf in the ghee for better smell. Add the ghee in the glass. For that, Mom will help me. It's time to take the cheesecake out from the refrigerator. Let's open and see. Wow, it's looking good. These are the dairy products I have made. This is the whey butter. These are paneer, ghee, buttermilk, butter, yogurt, and the cheesecake cream cheese. Now I'm gonna taste some cheesecake. Let's taste it. Yummy. Thank you. Have a nice day.